Kita berada di tempat seramik Kilang seramik ke apa? Kilang seramik Okey, sahabat-sahabat, kongsikan like, subscribe dan share Kilang seramik di Kapadosia. Unik pintu Mari sini
Ini Indonesia juga semua. Lancar nih. Dari mana Indonesianya? Jakarta juga, Bandung, Masya Allah. Nah, Bapak Ibu, di sini perkenalkan, nama saya Putri. Dari Purwokerto. Ada?
Ini orang
Di Purwokerto ada dia. Cilacap loh, iya berbeda kafe. Nah, Bapak Ibu, di sini saya mau kasih sedikit informasi mengenai potri dan juga keramik ya.
If you'd like to have the apple tea, here, you can take the apple tea, okay?
Oh, okay, apple tea. Okay. No more apple tea for me. Ini apa? Dorang
Ama anlamıyorum. Ben bir şey yapamadım yani. Bir de şu altı yapamadım inşallah. Başlıyoruz. Bir de eğlenmesini uyguluyoruz. Bir tanesini seçmiş yapalım.
Tamam. Hello.
Hi.
Where are you guys from? Malaysia. Very nice. So, welcome to our family, Aldas Ceramic, 7th generation, 180 years. We are here. My name is Ümit. I'll be guiding you here and then also in the gallery. So we have two types of clay. Red one from the river, terracotta color, which is clay, and the white one from volcanic mountains, volcanic ash. We call it kaolin. We mix with the quartz. We bake it twice, 16 hours, certain temperature. After the baking, we draw the design with the free mind, free hand technique, brushless pens, little tubes. Also, we do coloring, natural colors without any chemicals. Over here, we have a plate, a process one. So, the first baking here, then we do the drawing, free mind, free hand technique. Then after we do the coloring, we use natural colors, no chemicals, which you can use over here at the final, always. Mineral oxide without lead. Why do we use this color? Because when we bake it the second time, the color never burns. And when we glaze with the quartz, never fades or runs away. That's why we use those colors. Glazing quartz is the final process. Color sealed, never come out. Have you been to Istanbul? No. I think you will go. Topkapalı's Blue most important ones. They have tiles with quartz like these. They last 500 years. They can last forever if you take care of them. And the designs from those places are the most known. İznik tulip design, one of the best quality, 80% museums. They have variety of İznik in a good condition, including Albert. Tulip is our national flower. It's a unique flower. We call it God flower. And also in Islamic calligraphy of art, when you write Allah is the same shape. And when you cut from the half, the elif came out. The İznik masters, they tried it. Subhanallah. Also we have carnation, rose, lily lotus, hyacinth, those beautiful flowers in İznik design. And the second one is the most oldest, done by women 7,000 years ago. They carved a little tablet. But from the 14th century we use lotus flower because the first one has some symbols of trees. We don't use them inside the masjid of the palace. Very welcome. You came late.
I know.
I can go back.
It's okay.
Right. So, mother and father, Adam and Eve, we have the same in harem section, Topkapı Palace, which has 99 lotus flowers. It's symbolizing İsmail Hüsna. Mother and father, love, child, grandchild, lotus flower, health and wealth, happy life, long life, barakat, it's symbolized. And the final one here, we have, it's a showpiece done by the Hittite people 4,000 years ago. Hittite decanter. The origin one is in Ankara Museum. Spal handle, center and the bottom, 4-part. Center is most difficult to make, also the most important for the Hittite people. They worship many gods, but the sun god was the biggest. They named it Hepat. They fill the decanter, take up by temple, wait for the sun pass. Whenever sun pass, everything will be blessed, and they serve their gods and the goddess with a ceremony and respect. It was biggest ritual for the Hittite time, but from the Ottoman time, they used it to serve sherbet and zemzem to sultan. So there's two types of use. Very unique piece. There is no one another in the world. Inside, outside, ways you can use and decorate. Also, oxidation takes a little time. Whatever you drink, it will taste nice. And final information for the packaging. Anything you buy small, you bubble wrap it nicely, we put in a box. 45 years he is doing pottery. He knows how to do it, of course. Red clay from the wheel, from the river, and the kick wheel from the Hittite time.
Oh.
Strong leg, Hassan. Strong leg.
Strong leg.
Stay single. Ya, baby.
Oh, jangan pecah pula yang ni kan. Tak nak yang ni. Dah memang tahu dah tak boleh. Dah tak boleh. Tangan tak ada seni.
Tak seni.
Tak ada.
Tu anak dalam mana siapa yang pandai seni?
Tu. Yang tu. Adik bongsu tu. Kan adik bongsu kan?
Dia yang nak buat ni.
Oh.
Sorry lah, barang order barang sampai lain.
Okay.
Jauh sangat, jauh.
Jauhnya. Ni dah maaf lah. Dia ambil kita daripada toilet tu. Kita tengah cuci tangan. Kakak cepat kakak. Kakak cepat. Tu kena masuk mana jodohnya? Is it a sign?
Maybe.
Kali datang Malaysia yang ni.
Ni kakak N buat ni. Tujuan malam. Ada pecah.
Aku tak tahu macam dia rupa dia.
Brother,
Okay, kita tahu.
Oh.
It's okay.
you can take that home. No problem. You can take this home. 3 weeks after.
Free.
So how many pieces that Hassan can do in a day?
Abi günde kaç tane yaparsın normalde? Ben tahmini yani. About 25-30 pieces. But this is only for demonstration. We don't do the production here. This is only for you guys to see.
Oh, I see.
We have white clay, electrical, different workshop. That's for the gallery. This is a flower vase. We have different shape. Doesn't matter. 3 weeks. We try it first. Then after we do the process. Now we need a Malaysian master here. Who will make something for us? The youngest. Come.
Cincin dua.
Seni duvağımda. What is your name? Diana. Very nice. Master Diana.
Ya.
Diana, up and down.
Atas. Tinggikan dia, Dik. Nak tinggikan dia. Oh, ni atas. Tarik atas. Buat macam cawan boleh. Buat cawan je. Buat bentuk kucing.
Kau ni N pasang kau. Susah kau buat.
Slowly. Adik dia buat. Come on. Fokus, Dik. Jangan berani. Tu dia tadi tu. Jangan tekan. Buat ni atas.
Because of Diana, we're gonna be here all day. Gentle.
Atas sedikit tak? Atas lagi, atas lagi, atas lagi.
Geng sama geng.
Kalau ni tol. Lefty.
Mahal gaji.
Mahal tu.
Ceramik.